We'll guide you through how to add the emoji keyboard on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've noticed when you're messaging your friends and other people, they're going and using emojis. So emojis are really cool to go and add to messages and posts, amongst other things on your iPhone. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and add them to your keyboard, because then what you can do is simply go and press a button on your keyboard and it'll go and switch to the emoji keyboard. And you can then go and start tapping on the emojis you want to go and do this with. So make sure you watch this full guide as we're going to guide you through how it's done. So what you want to do is you want to come down and find the settings on your iPhone. Now, what we need to do here is we need to go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for General and go and tap there. Scroll down in General and you want to go and find Keyboard. Then what you need to do is go and find Keyboards and press Add New Keyboard. In Suggested, it actually says Emoji. Otherwise, you can press Search and you can go and type in Emoji like so, and you can select it and it's now added. Now when I open up the keyboard, you'll go and see the emoji icon in the bottom left, and I can tap it and go and use it. That's it.